Hey, how's it going, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and what I have for you today is the Trivisa EQU 04R. And this one here features a beautiful satin and stainless 10CR15 MOV stainless steel blade. It's got ceramic ball bearing actions on the pivot, Micarta scales, and even a Micarta backspacer. It's got milled steel liners, and yeah, they're inset in there, and it's really nice. So you got that extra strength there. You have a right side tip up deep carry pocket clip, and as you can see, they've recessed the screws in there really nicely. And this one is a dual flipper, so you have your standard back flipper here, which is one of the nicer ones I've come across because they really did that jimping and little swoop up just right to get your finger in there for instant fire out action. But aside from that, it's got this really great front flipper here. And if you're not really good with front flippers, I think this one here would be proved to be an exception, because they also have all this jimping provided all along right here and up, and just a simple flip out fires right out with no problem. This is a nice fidgeter. And I'm not the biggest front flipper guy, but I actually like this one a lot. So yeah, it's got this amazing piercing Japanese Tanto point on it. And yeah, I mean, that is just it's going to do some damage and go really easily through anything. I really dig it. So yeah, there's a nice one here. Overall, we are looking at 8.26 inches, and the blade itself is a very generous 3.58 inches with a thickness of 0.13 inches. The blade width across here is 0.82, and the handle is 4.72 inches. Now this steel here, 10CR15 MOV, is really nice stuff. I really dig it. It's held up really nicely with another knife of mine, which was also designed by the same guy, Steve Cheng, which is this SGR 05 with the carbon fiber. I've used this one quite a bit. Touches up nicely on a strop. Very easy to retouch when sharpening, and it's a nice one as well. I did a review of it. Please check it out. So yeah, this one here, I'm really digging it. It's very, very ergonomic and very, very, just even in reverse grip, this one's nice. But man, that is a really, really impressive Tanto on this one. And the blade itself, it is a sharp one. So let's see. I generally like to do a little slicing demo with this here, and yeah, that edge is no joke. No joke at all. And of course the piercing on it is, it's ridiculous, but yeah. All in all, I'm digging it. It's super slicey. And again, you don't have to worry about any type of corrosion on this one here, because it is that vacuum heat treated steel that provides a non-oxidation method for superior hardness, and the hardness on this one again is Rockwell 5961. So yeah, this is a nice one, and I like this also especially because they do this type of slight type of, I don't know if you can see it, there it is, slight divot there that just really lets you place all digits right there. It just fits nice and comfortably. And also, they do it for both sides, so you have it there. This clip is pretty nice too, because it's just in the right spot that I like it. It's not out of the way. And you have this little ramp right here. This one's nice and springy. Again, this is only for right side tip up only carry, but hey, this is a nice one. The action on it is, of course, on the ceramic ball bearings, and it is just flying out. You've got great lockup on it, and it's perfectly centered. So Trivisa, they really do some really nice stuff here. And what's also nice about them is they also offer a full refund for services against defects in workmanship. You get that right here. Comes with this quality control stamp right here. You get the microfiber cloth, and you get a really nice microfiber cloth type of pouch. So yeah, they're pretty cool. And this one here is for $54.99 right now on Amazon. And they also have the blue version in blue micarta for $56.99. That's the EQU 04L, as well as one with black blade and black micarta. That's the EQU 04B, and that's for $58.99. And right now, all three of those currently you can get for 5% off discount code on Amazon. So check it out. But yeah, this is a really nice one, and I like Trivisa. They've got some. Every knife I've had from them has been pretty high quality, and haven't had any problems with any of them. They sharpen up easy. They're pretty hard use, and they're for the most part they're like a gentleman tactical knife. This one goes in and out of the pocket just fine. And because it's so narrow, it doesn't take up much space either in the pocket, so it's a keeper. So go ahead and check them out. You can see them on, of course, Amazon, White Mountain Knives, and so forth. If you happen to go to White Mountain Knives, you can use my discount code of capital NCN, and you get 10% off there. So check them out. So that's all I got for that one, and I hope you liked the vid. And if this is like too light of a red for you, you can always put a little bit of oil right there, make it darker. And what's also nice about micarta, you can also dye it to a different color or a darker color if you want. I kind of like this one, and it's that micarta is really nice. It provides nice gripping. Yeah. So I'll let you get a closer last look at this one here. And overall, I'm pretty impressed with it. Yeah, it's a beauty. So there you go. That is the EQU04R by Trivisa. I'm Newcastle Ninja. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.